I've just completed the bobbin. I've spun up about 5 different yarns, and now I'm ready to ply them. Please stay tuned to watch the magic happen. Quite beautiful. As you can see, all the different colors, all the different colored yarns. And let's see what happens. And I finished it. This is 2 yarns. One extreme sparkly with loads and loads of sari silk, recycled sari silk in it. So pretty. I don't know if the sparkle is showing up on the video or not, but it is extremely sparkly. And then the first one is a pink with mugger silk, and it is so pretty as well. It's got a little bit of sparkle in it, but not as much as the second. I hope you enjoyed this one. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you have not, and hit the all notification bell when you'd like to see the next upload. Hi, I am back for the end results of this beautiful spin. I love this yarn. I love the fibre and the yarn, so I'm gonna have to purchase some more of this. It is just so sparkly and so silky and shiny. It is just so pretty. That, or I'm gonna have to blend some for myself with all of the sari silks that I have, and the tencel and the silks and the merino, but and sparkle. But this one is so cool. Look at that. That's so beautiful. This one's called Sprinkly Winkly. It's a 50% merino, 25% tencel, 12.5% sari silk, 12.5 glitter blend, applied with a mulberry silk, 40 grams. I got 58 meters out of this, and it's an 8-ply double ply construction. Very pretty. And then the other one's also beautiful. Pale pink with gold tussar silk in an 8-ply. Same amount of grams, same amount of meters. So they all turned out very beautiful. So that's 5 yarns complete for the large custom order that I have received. I have another 4 larger yarns to complete. I'm waiting on some fibre to arrive from Woolen Chambers Mill for the rest of this order. The other couple yarns that I have to make are 10-ply double ply yarn and 2 8-ply double ply yarns that are my signature yarns with the locks. So they will also be single videos per one. So there is quite a few videos coming out soon. So I hope you are excited for them and can please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you have not, and hit the all notification bell when you'd like to see the next upload. I do have a giveaway coming up as soon as I have reached 2,000 subscribers. So I hope you all have a wonderful weekend, and bye for now.
Bye bye.